Hey you guys, y'all, it's about to be my birthday in 10 minutes and I'm feeling myself. I'm looking cute, like shawty pressure, but I will never know. My boyfriend is taking my pictures right now, so I'm about to show y'all that. Mommy and my photographer, fuck. Finally charged. This stuff. My boyfriend said something. I knew this shit was gonna fall. My boyfriend taking my pictures. I'm trying to hide real quick. Wait. That's right. Oh my gosh. Okay, y'all. I'm trying to hide from my boyfriend real quick. Y'all, it's about to be my birthday in about 5 minutes. And I don't know if I want to do it on my birthday, after my birthday. Yeah, I'm gonna do it after my birthday. I'm gonna do a condom prank on my boyfriend. I'm trying not to talk too loud because I don't want him to hear me, but I'm gonna do a condom prank on him. I got these condoms, and then I've been saving it for months to do this prank. But anyways, I hope y'all enjoy my birthday vlog, and I'm gonna show y'all everything else. I'm feeling myself. Sorry if I'm all over the place, y'all. I just took a few shots. But yeah, sister on her hair. I did my lashes like always. And yeah, y'all gonna see the birthday fit later. It's cute. I don't even know where I left off at. Hey y'all, I'm back. It's my birthday. Y'all, so much that already went on, so I ain't get to record that. Last time I was on here, I was drunk. Well, I was tipsy. I don't know if I was drunk. I don't know.
You didn't record the motherfucking breakfast I made.
Oh yeah, I ain't good. I don't know. There's always something popping up, or I gotta leave, or I gotta forget something. I gotta grab something. I gotta do something. I ain't get to record it. Let me recurl my hair.
You say you ain't want to.
I did. I got it in my phone though. Yeah, I'm gonna insert the clips of the pictures that my man took. Stop looking like that, like you don't love me.
Hey, I'm just driving the car.
I know, but the girls know what I'm talking about when they boyfriend do that. But I'm gonna insert the pictures my man took. It was hot. Y'all, we at the gun range. He ain't tell me to. Came here. Yeah, I'm scared, but I'm excited. I'm ready. I'm just nervous. I'll be back. Y'all, we at the motherfucking gun range. And I shot a gun for the first time with my man. This gun. This the gun right here. That's the gun. I don't want to cover your camera.
Why you don't want to do something bigger?
I'm scared to do something bigger. I mean, you can get something bigger.
It's so easy. This is last about boots. You cost like $6. If I could, I'd go little ass bullets. Put on my lap. Yeah, to aim dead center. Just take a 3 to 5 shots.
Yeah, it's my birthday.
He got to get out of this. Maybe someone stomping.
I don't like that. Yeah, I don't like all that loud stuff.
He got boom, boom, boom.
So what you're going to do is back at it that distance, line it up dead center on your object, and then you push it, maybe you straight up, and like that's what it gets.
You make ours just not like the push.
This is bullshit.
My turn.
You wanna go farther or front?
Right there.
Right?
And then you can do fine tuning over time. If it's like, you know, a half inch to the left, you can just do 1 foot.
Here we go, guys. Oh my god. I think it's one more left.
22 is too much fun.
Yeah, oh my god. I'm in the left.
I got it. Want to do the rest? Last?
No, you can do it. It's a 22. Pew, pew, pew.
How much is it? 1, 2, 4 shots there.
Y'all, this one I'm scared of.
We just left the shooting.
Hey y'all, I'm back. We just left the shooting range and the experience was a 10 out of 10. It was fun. It just hurt my ears. That thing, that protective thing, right, really protect nothing because my ears still hurt. But I feel like my ears, what the fuck you looking at, nose ass bitch. But now we at, where we at?
Quick trip.
Quick Trip.
It's a quick trip.
I'll talk to y'all later, y'all. Oh, it looks so cute. Hey you guys, we've been back to the B&B for about an hour and a half now. I took a little nap, probably about 2 hours. I took a little nap and stuff. And yeah, we about to, tonight, I believe tonight we having us a little campfire. We gonna roast us some s'mores. So, he getting the charcoal ready. We got the marshmallows, the graham crackers,
They got firewood over there. You use the charcoal or firewood? They got firewood too.
What's the difference?
Use firewood.
Let me show y'all. So you got some charcoal right here. We're gonna do the little campfire and stuff. Whatever you wanna do.
A few moments later.
I'm about to go take my pictures. Okay y'all, so we just made it to the restaurant. My boyfriend just got through taking my pictures and they came out cute. Y'all, I hope this food tastes good because I don't play about food. And yeah, y'all know how them fancy restaurants food be looking A1. Then be nasty.
I like a looky. Nah, man. It was cute. And then you look grown a little bit.
I look growner.
You don't. You like a little kid.
But I'm gonna talk to y'all later.
Already got a lot.
Okay, y'all. We at Stony River Steakhouse. And they gave me a birthday card. So yeah. It's what I call it. Ooh, it's ugly. They just signed the card. It's Dorothy.
They could have did better. That's bullshit.
And I could have got me some lunch. we some big bags. We looking at other people. Oh, they can light the candle. Come light our candle. They feel like coffee.
Right.
Now this sweet tea taste like coffee.
They got like no water or something. I know you're gonna choose a lemon drop or something.
Ooh, spicy margarita.
Give me a burr.
That sounds good. Lemon drop.
That do sound good. Tito's gourmet vodka.
Y'all, I'm gonna get back to y'all when our food when we order. Okay, y'all, the food got here. I got me a pork chop with mashed potatoes, broccoli. My boyfriend got a burger and some fries. Cause yeah, I'm about to fuck it up. Y'all, they just brought me a chocolate cake out. So cute. And then here got my little birthday card. So cute. I'm gonna keep it forever. We're at Top Golf. I won again. He won the first game, but I won this one.
The next day.
Now we at the bowling alley, and I'm doing good already. As y'all see that up there. Yup.
Bowling alley. Yeah, you're cheating.
I only got one.
You gonna come back? Yo, ass cheating.
No, I'm not. I'm just good. Oh my god, now I gotta get the corner. That's gonna be hard. Time for you. Yeah, show me how to do it right. But my score better right. I got 28. Okay. As y'all can see, I am winning. I'm winning, baby. That's what I do.
Run it back.
That's what I do. Damn, I'm trying to keep my camera up. Okay.
I don't know how she bigger than me, but she is, man. I don't know how.
Y'all, I won.
Her cute ass need to tee up. Look at her. Look at her. Thick ass in them shorts. Her cute ass need to tee the fuck up.
Y'all, I'm finally losing. I'm finally losing. Y'all drunk. Drunk bowling.
almost ain't good no more. Damn. Oh my God, you almost had it. You almost got it. I guess almost didn't work out.
Like I don't want it again. On the brain all the time. Thinking about the things